Next, we want to look at naming molecular compounds. Molecular compounds are composed of two nonmetal elements only. So because we only have nonmetals, we do not have cations and anions. It's not an ionic compound. So for example, CO, carbon and oxygen are both nonmetals. Carbon and oxygen could also make another compound, one carbon and two oxygen. In this case, we have to name them with prefixes that tell the number of each atom in the chemical formula. The prefixes are on your formula sheet. 1 is mono, 2 di, 3 tri, and so on. An important rule to remember: if the first element listed has only one atom, and this is only for the first element, then we drop that prefix. The prefix for 1 is mono. So CO is not monocarbon. We only have one carbon, so we just write carbon. And the oxygen will change its ending just like it would in an ionic compound. But we have to tell that we have one oxygen. So this would be carbon, the prefix for 1 mono, and then oxide. Well, monoxide, two O's together, doesn't sound as nice as dropping 1, so we're actually going to call this carbon monoxide. If we had two oxygens in CO2, the first element, carbon, is still carbon, not monocarbon, but now we have dioxide for two oxygens. Same sort of thing, 1 phosphorus, 3 iodines. So 1 phosphorus is not monophosphorus, it's just phosphorus. 3 iodine. Iodine will change its ending to iodide, so this is phosphorus triiodide. Cl2O. Again, both chlorine and oxygen are nonmetals, just like phosphorus and iodine were, so we're going to use the prefix naming system. This time the first element is not a 1, so we need to include that prefix. 2 chlorines is dichlorine. 1 oxygen at the end makes this monoxide.